All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff about cryptocurrency. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Yep, and Dogs of Elon. Well, Dogelon Mars and Dogs of Elon, which one is versus each other? Holy cow, we're going to figure this out. We're Dogs of Elon and Dogelon Mars. All right. I know Dogelon Mars is up right this second. We're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter account, see what's going on. And cryptocurrency, a lot of people think there's no utility at all. So we have an article that says, finally, there's a cryptocurrency that has a usage. And guess what? It happens to be helium. And they're going to be talking about a helium miner. So we're going to go to that article too today. It's going to be pretty good. Dogelon Mars, Dogs of Elon, and helium. Fantastic episode today. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody. Dogelon Mars. Let's head over. All right, here. Holy cow, look at this. Dogelon Mars, number 117. It's up 29% in the last 7 days. That's fantastic. It's up over 5% today. Clicking it. All right, over here to the right, up 7% for 24 hours. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and 1135. We'll come back at the end and do a little price prediction. Let's take a look over here. In the 24 hours, this thing just shot straight up today, which is fantastic. Liking that. Let's take a look at the last 7 days. Last 7 days was way down here. It's, again, up 30-some%. Fantastic job, Dogelon Mars. Now take a look at this. Dogelon Mars versus Dog of Elon. The dog tails so far. So some of you are buying Dogelon Mars. How many of you are buying Dogs of Elon? Hey, say that 5 times fast. Dogelon Mars, Dogs of Elon. No, I'm just kidding. All right, let's check this out here. All right, so let's get started here. The meme token space is flooded. One such name appears as Shiba Phantom. Shiba Inu was picked as analyzed. Well, Dogelon Mars, Elon, and Dog of Elon are 2 other such tokens that are Elon breeds. They've been projecting, compiling trends both individually and collectively. So in this piece, we're going to dive in deep on both of them. Have both the Elon featured tokens been flocking together? Question mark. Well, over the past week, one of the tokens have been appreciating by magnitudes. Dogelon Mars, the 3rd largest meme token, extended 24%, while Dog of Elon climbed 26%. 24, 26, they're kind of right there. In fact, the daily window, both coins have posted gains in around 10 to 15% brackets. So it's kind of like they're moving at the same pace, everybody. It says, however, the suitable differences were noted in the micro landscape of both the tokens. Dog of Elon price movement has sort of been erratic since the beginning of this year. Its price chart was typically categorized as the candles with evident gaps here and there. Its uptick and downtick have unnecessary, following a pattern of both the upper and lower range has been capped by a fiat bottoms and tops. While Dogelon Mars price, on the other hand, is a lot more volatile. Its candles have been spacious, spreading out the chart downward trend, and consolidating has been more and less concrete and predictable. Now, despite the differences, it should be noted that the token's movement direction has collided in each in the most instance. A year-to-date return for both. Dogelon Mars and Dogs of Elon both have a negative this year, formerly depreciating by 30% and later to 15%. You know, the number of holders of Dog of Elon's is 6.5K. Dogelon Mars, there's 28K participants. So yeah, Dogelon Mars and Dogs of Elon, what's going on with that? Now take a look at this. The price of Dogelon Mars is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and 11.25. If you take a look at the Dogs of Elon, the price is 4 cents. So the price is 4 cents right here, Dogs of Elon. And take a look in the last 7 days. The last 7 days, this token is just totally shot up. But again, I wanted to point out that the Dogs of Elon is actually priced at a higher percentage, 4 cents. Also checking out the Dogs of Elon website, an NFT for the Moonshot Trader. All right, over to the website of Dogs of Elon. Adopt a unique NFT Doge today. There is 10,000 unique collectible characters inspired by meme coins. Community contains 30 Elons and 70 zombies. All right, everybody. Over here, you get your tokenomics. Talks all about your tokenomics. You got your gallery that you can kind of pick which you want to actually, which one of these little NFTs do you want here? Look at green right here. You click on green, number 17. Background to green, Doge, male dog, open seas. You click it. This page is lost. Oh, no. But again, you got the dogs of Elon over here. All right, Dogelon Mars, dog of Elon. Do you own both of these coins? Do you like one of them better than the other? Which one did you get in first? Again, do you like both of them? All right, what about, oh, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, what about cryptocurrency and the usage and the utility? A lot of people think there's no utility for cryptocurrency. Well, this token, Helium, there seems to be an actual usage. Let's take a look. All right, so maybe there's a use for cryptocurrency after all. Helium, a wireless network provided by cryptocurrency, hints at the practical promise of decentralized service. Now take a look how this these radio signals are going off, and then this is kind of like a bank, and now cryptocurrency coins going in. But what I want you to look at is right here. Every time the coin goes in, the light lights up. So the person's got their helium miner over there by the window, and then you got the radio frequencies going off, and it's doing its job, and you're getting paid in cryptocurrency. So what does this have to say? One of the most frequent questions asked by crypto skeptics is, what can it actually do with crypto? Well, it's a tough question to answer. Part of most of the success and legal use of cryptocurrency so far has been in finance and finance adjustment fields. There are plenty of crypto exchanges, NFT trading platforms, and video games that involve buying and selling cryptocurrency. But so far, not many crypto projects have what I call, something like a normal utility, while solving the problem that exists for people outside the crypto world. Well, buying and selling digital assets would be impossible to solve with the normal non-crypto technology. Well, recently I discovered one, and guess what it's called? Helium. That's right. You guys are familiar with the Helium hotspot? Look what it says. Helium, why it's not the most attractive grabbing crypto project out there. There's no cartoon apes and a copy of constructions are involved. It's trying to help me understand how crypto can be quite useful in solving certain types of problems on a basic level. Now, Helium is a decentralized wireless network for the Internet of Things, devices empowered for cryptocurrency. Again, go back up to this picture here. Take a look. They're mining helium. What they're doing is they're using the helium miners, and they're actually using the radio signals right here. And they're actually, while they're using it, they're actually getting paid right there in the cryptocurrency. Pretty cool picture. It says right here, the network is made up of a device called a helium hotspot. The gadget with antennas can send a small amount of data over a long-distance radio frequency. These hotspots, which cost roughly around $500, can reach about 200 times farther than conventional Wi-Fi hotspots. They also share the owner's bandwidth, nearby internet-connected devices. Things such as like parking meters, your dog collars, air quality sensors, and smart kitchen appliances. Anyone can use the Helium network, although most of the users are companies. Companies like Lime, which uses Helium to keep tabs on connected scooters. Victor's Mousetrap company uses it also, in their internet-connected traps. There's over 500,000 Helium hotspots right now around the world, with thousands being added every single day. Here's how the crypto part comes in. In addition to transmitting data, Helium hotspots reward the owners for participating in the network by creating units of cryptocurrency called HNT. These tokens can be bought and sold on the open market like any other cryptocurrency, and more a hotspot is used, the more HNT tokens are generated. So again, showing you this picture, it's real simple. That little light that just keeps going on, they got a helium hotspot right there, and literally it's getting the radio frequencies for dog collars and kitchen things and different low frequencies. And by using that and putting your antenna up, now it's using your frequency and it's actually connected to the Internet of Things. You're getting rewarded in helium. So yeah, maybe there is a useful for cryptocurrency after all. All right, Dogelon Mars, dog of Elon, and helium miners. All kinds of good stuff going on in this show today. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Again, which one is your more favorite? Dogs of Elon, Dogelon Mars? Which one is it? All right, let's head back over to a price prediction. Try to say that 5 or 6 times fast. All right, over here, Crypto Bubbles real quick. I'm going to just go right over to my favorites. Inside my favorites, I got Elon sitting here. Take a look at Elon, up 29% for the week, up 7.8% for the day. It's up 1,100%. My face is covering it a little bit. It was down it was down 40% earlier this month. Look at that, it's come back 30%. This week alone, it's kind of made its comeback, and it's only down 11% for the actual month. Fantastic job, Dogelon Mars. Let's go over here. Dogs of Elon. I guess you can't get the dogs. Oh wait, let me put Doe in there. D-O-E. Nope, you can't look it up in there. All right, no problem. Crypto bubbles again. Let's say you're at your top 600. You can go and take a look. Oh, look at this crypto. It's up 87%. So you check this. It's down 62% for the year, but up 87%. What about GBYT? 226%. Holy cow. Again, crypto bubbles is pretty neat, everybody. Over here at Dogelon Mars' new website's got a facelift. You want to go check it out. There's 6 platforms right here that you can actually buy the cryptocurrency. Crypto.com, Uniswap, OKEX, KuCoins, Huobi, and Gemini. Again, Dogelon Mars versus Dogs of Elon. All right, what's our price prediction today? This token is up 30%, I believe it is, in the last 7 days. It's up 29%, which is fantastic. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 114. I'm thinking it's going to be 5 zeros and like a 130. It's going to go up a little bit. It's on an uptick right this second. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but it's fantastic that it's almost made all it went down 40% and it made it all back except for 11%. It's fantastic, Dogelon Mars. All right. Let's not forget this Sunday, the Super Bowl's coming up. The Super Bowl's coming up. But there's 4 cryptocurrency companies that are going to be advertising. There's 43% new advertisers this year than ever before. It's going to be the Crypto Bowl, everybody. All right, Dogelon Mars, fantastic. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, thanks for tuning in. We will see you a little bit later on today. Dogelon Mars.